here it is, guys, the Mavic Air 2. We got a lot of ducks out here in the lake, so hopefully they don't hit my drone, or else I'm gonna jump in here and beat up some ducks, you know what I mean? I'm not kidding, bruh. Just beautiful. So this thing has 2, 4, 6 sensors built into the body. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, right there, 1, 2, and then 2 more right here. That's really beneficial for, you know, us first-time flyers. Before you even turn it on, make sure to take off the cap. So this is the remote that comes with the DJI. What I like about this remote is that the control sticks are actually flushed right underneath the bottom there. You got 3 modes in here. You got tripod, normal, and speed. Tripod is what I suggest for all the beginners like myself out there, because it is the slowest speed for this drone. So first things first, you take out the control sticks that's flush underneath the bottom here, and then you just, you know, screw it on top. I don't know if you guys hear that, but pelican is, whoa, that bird is huge. I don't know if I want to fly it now, because what if they start attacking it? Alright, so I got it screwed on there now. What you want to do is flip that. That's the antennas right here, and then get your phone, hook it up like so, and boom. So here's the setup that we got. So to turn on the Mavic Air 2, just press and hold the top button here on the drone itself. I think you have to press it like twice and hold, and it should turn on. Alright, so once you're in the DJ app, you want to connect your aircraft and select the type of drone that you have. For me, I got the Mavic Air 2. Just press on that, and then it'll prompt you to this tutorial on how to set up your remote control. Press on the camera view to see if it is connected. And we are having some technical difficulties over here. Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot to turn on the actual remote itself, so make sure you do that. Alright, so once it's connected, it prompts you to this beginner flight tutorial. For me, I tried it once or twice already, so I'm gonna go ahead and skip it. Alright, now it's ready to take off. Let's do it. That was exhilarating. To fold this up, you want to do the back legs first. You fold it underneath like that, and then you want to do the front, which you just have to, you know, push in. Now you want to put the gimbal cap. You just got to line it up. Once you do that, you should hear a click underneath. And then for the wire right here, make sure you just wrap it around and put it in right there. Just push it back in, and then lastly, you want to unscrew the joysticks here. Whoa! So you gotta be careful. These things are really tiny, so when you're twisting it off, make sure you have a grip on them, so that way you don't drop it. Twist it off, and boom. Let's get out of here because it is so cold. No offense to, you know, the people that's from New Jersey, but I am so ready to PCS out of here and be in a new country. Hopefully by, you know, this year. I get lucky and the military moves me to Japan or Korea or something, or both. Alright, that's the test for today. I might take it out again tomorrow or this weekend and shoot that. So let's get out of here. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.